Hi, this is RJ from RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel. For all your travel needs, call 866-945-2700. I'm available 7 days a week, 9:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In the description, you'll find my email and website information. Vacation shouldn't be work. Let us do all the work for you. We act as your concierge from beginning to end. We don't charge any additional fees. And in many cases, we have group pricing available for individuals that can save you money and add additional perks. Please click on the like and subscribe button. It costs you nothing. It tells YouTube to share my channel to more people looking for vacation content. I'm also a Dream Vacations franchise owner as well, which speaks for itself. We publish a new video every 2 weeks. Today's video is going to be about the Carnival Vista balcony cabin 11214. Hope you enjoy the video and talk to you soon. Alright, bye bye. It's 11-214 Carnival Vista spa balcony. Oh, let's take a look. Oh, looks nice. I always like taking a picture of the sign. I don't know why, but I do. You gotta put your card in there to have the lights turned on. The bathroom. The usual. Excellent. Couch. Let's look at the closet space. Oh, we got a robe, some hangers, some shelves. Got here. Oh, always got to have the safe. There's my refrigerator. Oh, it's in there. Can't figure out how to open it, but it's there. Got 2 USBs, the phone, some more shelving. I don't see any USBs around here. Looks like we have some end table cabinets as well on both sides. Oh, and look at that, what a surprise. Let's go out, let's check out the balcony. Yeah, it's not bad. Do a recap. Different angle. We're home for the next 8 days.